Ever looked at a crypto chart, seen a dip, and thought, man, I wish I could have bought that at this price? Or maybe you've watched a coin soar and kicked yourself for not selling at the peak. If you've experienced either of these, then you, my friend, need to understand limit orders. Now, I know what you're thinking. Limit order? Sounds boring. Trust me, it's not. It's your secret weapon in the crypto world. It's like having a time machine for your trades. So, let's dive in. Imagine the crypto market is a roller coaster. You've got those thrill seekers who love the ups and downs. That's market orders for you. They buy and sell instantly at the current price. But then there are the cautious ones who prefer to pick their spots. That's where limit orders come in. A limit order is basically a deal you make with your exchange. You say, hey, I want to buy or sell this crypto at this specific price. Don't fill the order until the market reaches that price. It's like setting a price alert on steroids. So, why would you want to use a limit order? Well, let's talk about buying first. If you see a coin dipping, you might think it's a good buying opportunity. Instead of buying at the current price, you can place a limit order slightly below the market price. If the price drops to your limit, your order gets filled. You've essentially bought the dip. On the flip side, if you're looking to sell and you think the price might go up, you can set a limit order at a higher price. If the price reaches your target, your order is executed, and you've locked in a profit. It's important to note that there is no guarantee your limit order will be filled. If the market doesn't reach your price, your order simply sits there until it does or until you cancel it. That's why it's crucial to set realistic limits based on market trends and your investment goals. Now, let's talk about Newton. Using limit orders on Newton is pretty straightforward. You can set them up on both the web and mobile platforms. Just select the coin you want to trade, choose the limit order option, input your desired price and quantity, and hit submit. But wait, there's more. Newton also offers other order types like stop limit orders. These are a bit more complex, but they can be useful for risk management. Essentially, a stop limit order turns into a limit order once the market price reaches a specific stop price. This can help protect your profits or limit your losses. So, to recap, limit orders are a powerful tool for both buying and selling crypto. They allow you to take control of your trades and potentially improve your returns. But remember, like any trading strategy, there are risks involved. Do your research, understand the market, and use limit orders wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.